Something else with this spring storm, it's a reminder that severe weather can always just pop up.
Yeah, reporter Joey Vaca joins us live now to show you how you can stay ready and try to limit the damage. Joey?
Yeah, good evening, guys. We know that weather's unpredictable. Just the little bit of rain I was seeing an hour ago, not really the case anymore, but the wind is picking up. I've seen people putting things over their cars to prevent the hail, if it does in fact come, from busting their windshields and things like that. So people are preparing. You heard Ariel mention those kits. Now, it's also, though, important to not just prepare when weather's on the way, but stay prepared all the time because it could end up saving you in the long run.
Be safe, stay vigilant, communicate with the people around you.
Severe weather means a higher chance for power outages. So Pacific Power encourages people always have an outage kit, enough essentials to last at least 3 days without power.
We recommend that you restock it with like water for, about a gallon of water per person per day, some non-perishable food, some batteries on a radio, some flashlights, other things handy like medication or anything that may be important to your family.
Protecting things like your car or home is a must to help avoid expensive damage. Jennifer Houghton with Pemco Insurance says with chances of hail, drivers should do everything they can to get that car inside, even if it means parking at a friend's.
You want to secure anything that could be loose outside. This includes awnings, canopies, patio furniture, barbecues, anything that could blow away.
She says take a few minutes and do a sweep around your house. See if you notice any tree branches that are dead or could blow into your home and try to secure them. Also, she says drivers should keep their gas tanks full or nearly full. You never know what you'll encounter if the power goes out.
You don't want to get stuck, and some gas stations have emergency power, but some of them won't pump if the electricity is out, and it could be out for a number of days.
Now, something else to keep in mind, everyone that I spoke with said, keep those phones charged. We don't know what could happen, and if that power goes out, you don't know how long it's going to be out. Now, it's not just important to keep the phone charged, also conserve that cell phone battery. Reporting live in Southwest Portland, Joey Vaca, KOIN 6 News.
Great tips for tonight and really all the time. Joey, thank you. Don't forget you can get weather alerts sent to your phone by downloading that PDX Weather Alert app. It's free, and you can use it to send us videos and pictures of weather as it is happening in your neighborhood.